Christmas update, and I'm about to have some birthday cake. It didn't get too battered in the box, luckily, just a little bit here. Can't wait for this though. We've arrived at Animal home, it says. The animals, I'm really proud. I can see giraffes and stuff with horns. I'm sorry, I'm an uncultured city dweller. I literally don't know what they are. Those things are, I don't know, gazelles or antelopes. I literally do not know. Assuming that's one of the same thing. And then over there you got giraffes. I'm really excited because you can see the same kind of stuff as Sanaa. It turns out you can actually go outside, and Sanaa's just over there. I can't believe we get to be this close. Literally, the animals can just walk right up to the window, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's so lovely. They have a bonfire and everything. It's really, really nice. I aspire to be as punk as this bird. Okay, literally all the animals are just like going off in that direction over there. Like all the giraffes just moved out. Now this thing is, well, kind of going that way. This thing's going there too. There's like nothing left over here apart from my little punk bird. And in the distance, oh, the zebras are leaving too. I kid you not. They're all trying to get away from me. I'm really upset. There are rabbits too. I have no idea if they're here, like, because the staff put them there, or if they're just here because they're wild Disney rabbits. We've got our drinks and we are actually at a window seat, so we get to see the animals. There's one just there. Anyway, we've decided to go with the bread thing. I don't really know. Bread service, they're calling it. It looks so good. The smell is so nice. Like, I'm not even sure. Like, it's probably a mixture of it all, but someone just went over all the sauces and the different types of bread, but I don't remember them. But that doesn't matter because I'm going to try everything, and I'm so psyched. The mains came. I got basmati rice with paneer tikka and chickpea wops. We're so full, we can't manage anymore, but that was so good. Like, all the different sauces were really nice. Three of them were really spicy, especially this one, which was like unbearably spicy to an extent. But the main three dishes were good. I just can't finish it though. It's just too much food.